Good morning, everyone. I wanted to make a video talking about my number one crypto holding and my number one stock holding, and that's going to be XRP and Mara stock. So make sure you drop a like, especially if you hold any Mara and any XRP. We're going to break down the charts today and really what I think is happening. Subscribe to the channel and grab your coffee. I already had my mind's out there. It's not even 6 a.m. Fired up to be here, guys. Monday morning. So let's get into it. Let's first talk about XRP. We've had a huge bounce. Let me make this bigger for you all. Right here, you can see huge bounce, wick all the way down to $1.95, and then we topped out at $2.99, pretty much $3. XRP ran up $1. Pretty insane. So why did this happen? Well, one, we have a stochastic cross down here. Guys, the whole point of this YouTube is for you to pick up on some things so that you can start to go fish on your own, right? You don't have to be just watching these videos and just doing what these YouTubers tell you to do. I really want you to learn as I kind of go through this. So stochastic cross on a daily time frame, very bullish, but also this, guys, we hit an important support zone right here. You can see $2 has been constantly supported with these huge wicks. So this is very strong support for XRP. I would say it's even extremely stronger now that we had a violent move up right here. So these are all buying opportunities, right? Wick, 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 wick. I mean, multiple times showing you that support has built in this area. And we're pretty much going from this zone to this zone, and it's just been trading up and down. So the question is, what is next? Well, we're going to get into what's next for XRP, but really quick, I want to jump over to Mara stock because Mara right now is trading at 1537 in pre-market. Okay, we have gapped up because the earnings was absolutely amazing. And I told everyone 5 days ago that I sold all my AMD and just put it all into Mara at 1228. Earnings tomorrow, all or nothing. This is insane. Mara is very oversold. 4-hour time frame RSI at 16. So guys, if you want updates like this for different stocks and cryptos, I really break down the RSI, the stochastic, and I literally send out posts like this to members all the time, telling you exactly what I'm doing and telling you my perspective of where I think a stock and crypto is going. Make sure you invest in yourself. It's 2025. This is the year everything changes for you and your family. Click the Patreon down below and join. You can also join for free if you just want to see our environment. But if you want to upgrade, I have multiple different tiers for you to start to learn. So 1228 pretty much went all in. I do hold a couple other stocks, but this is definitely my largest position right now. And so far from 1228 to pre-market, we are up about 26% on that buy. Okay, so pretty awesome. AMD actually, I sold at 105. AMD's at 101 now, or $100. So pretty smart decision on my end, and a lot of members actually took advantage of that also. So Mara, these are some zones that I'm looking for on the wicks, guys. I have a lot of other posts on Mara right here. 5 days ago, 3 days ago, charts of what I think is going to happen next. Yesterday, breaking down if 300% return is coming. So definitely want to check those out. But for you guys, I'll just kind of break it down really quick. This right here is an important zone, this first white line, and then we have the next area around 1638 to 1658. You can see there's probably going to be some resistance in this area, and it's also Fibonacci level. Now, if you're trying to trade Mara, you could watch the 4-hour, and you can start to see once it gets pretty overbought, it's a good selling opportunity. And even if you look at the 2-hour, you can see the 2-hour gets up to around 65 all the way upwards of 72. So the RSI, once you master this, it gets a lot easier of when to buy and when to sell. And I just want to keep it super simple for you guys. But this is really why I went all in on Mara. You can see right here, very, very oversold, right? So we got in at 1228, right around this area right here, because it was extremely oversold on a 4-hour. Let me just pull that up real quick, and then we'll jump back over to XRP. We hit this line right here. I felt the earnings was going to be absolutely amazing. Mara has been just crushed. You can see all of this just crushed, right? And I do think we're going to start the uptrend now. I do think the bottom is in, the bottom being down here, which it actually hit 1209. So congrats to anyone that bought this dip. You are up massively today. A lot of miners are actually up. So we also have the VWAP up here around $20. So there's a lot of things that you can look at, but Mara is definitely looking good. And just if you want to keep it even more simple, I'll tell you guys this real quick. On a daily time frame, you can really wait until we get back above 70. Okay, you see the RSI tops out up here, RSI tops out up here. Mara tends to sell off. So this is going to be a very tradable stock. I tend to do that now on the way up. Now that I feel the bottom is in, so I'll be updating Patreon members pretty much constantly on this, since it's definitely one of my, well, it is my largest holding with stocks as well. So now XRP is trading at 271 as we're making this video. Guys, we want to break this area, the 330. And then the next level I'm really looking for, oh, I guess I erased it. Let me pull this up for you all real quick. Let's break down a Fibonacci right here. Bring it down to the wick. So the next area I'm really looking for is about 442 for XRP. And then we have another Fibonacci level at $6. And then I really do think probably the top this cycle could potentially get us up to about $8.50. I know a lot of people are thinking it's going to go much higher, especially with what Trump just announced. And it may. And I will hold some XRP for a very long time, but I will exit some of my position at certain levels, okay? The way I'm going to determine that is if I see any negative bearish divergence forming on a daily time frame, and if the RSI gets very overbought again, like this was at 93. So again, that's very overbought. If you see a crypto on a daily time frame when the RSI is in the 90s, probably a good idea to start taking some profit, guys. Make sure if you're learning anything in today's video that you do me a favor, drop a like, and let me know if you want either more XRP or more Mara information, and I'll make more consistent posts on them, because I know I talk a lot about jasmy, but definitely want to build a community around this stock and this crypto as well. So let me know down below. With that, guys, this is all my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I want to make a quick video for you guys just to kind of let you know why XRP ran, why Mara pumped, and what I think ultimately is next. Kind of end it with this from Mara. If I take a Fibonacci, I'll just tell you guys real quick. And let's take it from the high point of about $30 and bring it all the way to the low. See, this is just crazy how oversold it is. Like, this thing should rally in the coming months, in my opinion. Especially, I believe Bitcoin's going to go much higher. But a full Fibonacci retracement, guys, is about $88. The 3.618 level is $78. So I definitely think this is possible. If you want more of a conservative approach, you could look at $40 all the way up to about $60. Okay, so I'm really thinking Mara gets up in this area. If you want to get out of your position, I mean, definitely down here is a good idea, because I do think we're going to come back down. We'll probably fill this gap, I believe, in the coming days. And then you have the 618 level around $23, which is a good area. You'll probably see some resistance all the way up to $26. So this is the zone you probably want to look for. If you're done with the stock and you've been holding this and you didn't add, I would look right here. With that, guys, hope you have a great one.